Hello everybody. So in this video we're going to talk about KuCoin X-Pool staking. Okay, so KuCoin is a crypto exchange and they have now staking available, which means that you can earn passive income with your cryptocurrencies. Okay, so the first step if you want to stake is obviously sign up on KuCoin. It's free to sign up, so click the link in description and sign up. And when you go to your home page, you can click staking, and here you can straight up stake your cryptocurrencies. Okay, and the first one that you see is KuCoin share staking, which is currently on beta, but I tested it. Okay, so I staked my KuCoin shares, and here you can see the results. So this is the KuCoin that I staked, and below it you can see my first reward. Okay, so staking reward. So it's poll. It's like a liquidity coin that has real value, and you can actually use like you can see Pulse/USDT. Okay, there, and you can actually sell it or do whatever you want to do with it. But it's money. So the first in the first day I got 6 cents. I staked it. I believe that it was staked like 4 hours before it reset. You know, so this is not the full day. So I'm going to stake KuCoin shares for 14 days, and I'm going to show you how much I got. Okay, so subscribe to this channel now so you don't miss the video when I show up my what I got. Okay, but anyway, this so staking is like so you lend your cryptocurrencies for liquidity, and you earn you know, annual returns. So KuCoin shares has only 2.49%, so that's why it is kind of like low, you know what I'm saying, but I'm still trying it, and just for, you know, just for the sake of trying it, because it's beta. Okay, and like you can see, KuCoin has a lot of different coins here. So Tron, Visas, One Chain, Tezos, EOS, Tomo Chain, Cosmos Atom, and Orn and Luna Link, like a lot of these. And you also have all, and you have fixed depositions. Okay, so for example, when you stake like I staked KuCoin shares, you just click the coin, and you can see here that you can read the rules here. So the 5th point here is the staked coins will be returned after 14 days. Okay, so it's 14 days lockup. Okay, so it takes after 14 days the coins will be you can redeem them back. Okay, and all of these coins have different rules, so always read them. Okay, so for example, Tron, TRX, so here are only 3 days. Okay, so they are locked up for 3 days. Okay, so always read the rules, but you can stake whatever cryptocurrency you want. Okay, for example, VI to lockup is 7 days. And okay, and the difference between all and fixed depositions is like here you can join whenever you want here, and but fixed deposition is you have to participate it. So let's go by like Cody 90 days. So like you can see here's how it's going currently going. Okay, so it's 90-day lockup, like you can see. So you can't join them now, so you have to join them before they start. Okay, and these are the ongoing. Is just, you know, you can just participate now. Okay, if you want, you can stake your coins. Okay, but always read the rules. That like you can see the 1, 2, 7. Always read those so you understand what you're currently doing. If you don't understand, if you have any problems with the staking, all you have to do is go to KuCoin, go to support, and click the online support. They have 24/7 online chat, which is extremely helpful. They will help you with anything, with any problem you have. Okay, and by the way, I have to show you KuCoin has So different wallets: main, trading, margin, futures, and pool X. Okay, and here on pool X wallet you can see the your staked coins. Okay, so that is awesome. And after the lockup days, for example, like KuCoin shares, my KuCoin shares are now 14 days lockup, or 13 days now. After that, I can just come here and redeem them. Okay, and I can transfer them back to my wallet. Okay, so that's how it works. So that is staking. So you will earn your cryptocurrencies will earn passive income for you. You make them work for you. Okay, you make some passive income, and that's it. It's pretty simple. So here are voting, and here are my lockup history. Like I said, it's my first time doing it, so let's see how it does. And if you want to start staking, this is no way investment advice, no financial advice or any sorts. But if you just want to stake, like I tried it out, just click the link in description and sign up on KuCoin and try staking some cryptocurrencies. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.